Welcome to Beijing, where history and the future coexist. Let's begin part one of our journey in the heart of the capital. We start at Tiananmen Square, a place of immense historical significance and the symbolic center of the nation. Ahead lies the Forbidden City, once the secluded home of China's emperors for over 500 years. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. Behold the Hall of Supreme Harmony, the most important and grandest building within these ancient walls. In the Imperial Garden, we find a peaceful retreat designed for reflection and royal leisure. From Jingshan Hill, the perfect symmetry of the Forbidden City is revealed in all its glory. Beyond the palaces, the ancient hutongs offer a glimpse into the traditional soul of the city. As the day fades, the lakes of Shichahai provide a picturesque setting for a peaceful stroll. This concludes part one. Join us in part two as we venture further to explore the legendary Great Wall. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content.